From below, this structure looked like a castle from Game of Thrones. From the skies, it transformed the entire Hudson Valley into Westeros. Despite its isolation, it was immediately obvious this place was unique, a landmark worth exploring more closely. That is the beauty of flying a drone, the ability to discover the inaccessible and experience landscapes from perspectives that feel almost impossible. I thought I would be giving you another aerial tour of a local landmark. As it turns out, seeing the world from the landmark's vantage point made me the tourist. I hope these aerials allow your imagination to run wild, just as mine did. Before the scenery steals the show, let's take a look at the castle itself. Castle Rock is a Gilded Age estate perched roughly 620 feet above the Hudson River in Garrison, New York. Like Lyndhurst Mansion, it was commissioned by a railroad tycoon, William H. Osborne. The estate was later inherited by his son, the famed paleontologist Henry Fairfield Osborne, who would go on to name one of history's most iconic dinosaurs, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Local legend claims the castle may have inspired L. Frank Baum's vision of the Wicked Witch's fortress in The Wizard of Oz. Looking at it from the air, however, I couldn't help but see something different. The red roofs, stone walls, and soaring towers felt more like a piece of Westeros transplanted into New York's Hudson Highlands. Like the other castles I've explored across the Hudson Valley, Castle Rock blurs the line between historic estate and fantasy fortress. Whether it reminds you of Oz or Game of Thrones, the real magic of Castle Rock begins when you look beyond its walls and glimpse one of the most breathtaking panoramas anywhere along the Hudson River. And now, as promised, I'll step aside and let the scenery speak for itself. Enjoy the views from Castle Rock overlooking the Hudson Highlands and Hudson River. If these cinematic aerial explorations are your kind of adventure, consider subscribing and let me know in the comments what world this landscape reminds you of.